So this last video for this week is going to be shorter because I'm just going to explain what to do for this assignment. So the last assignment is the majority of this week's work between the three. It's called the collage assignment, and basically it's a culmination of kind of everything you've learned so far. So it says here, find 4 copyright-free images and create a collage from them. Think of it like as creating a poster or program cover. It'll look a little old school. And what I mean by old school is that you can tell that this is from the days of, oh my gosh, Photoshop, we can like eraser the edge of photos and put them together. Um, and this would be like bare minimum, right, of what I'd want. So you can use these 4 images if you don't feel like looking for them, or you can find your own 4, as long as they are copyright free. And I want them to be photographs. It could be whatever you want, right? And they can be related however you want, although I would prefer they were a little bit related. Actually, no, that's a requirement. I want them to seem like they're related in some fashion. But what I don't want to see, unless it's extras beyond the first 4 images, clip art kind of stuff, right? Because blending clip art together is a different process than blending photographs together. And I know I said in the previous couple of assignments that, oh, if you choose things like this that already have the edges, cut out, then it'll be a little bit easier. And that's true, but that's also not what you always have the opportunity to do. So this is about using selection tools, maybe selecting out the sky, or using the brush with feathered edges. I think I also mentioned layer blend modes, blend options, filters, any combination of things you want slash need to get the look you're going for. And use the text tool to add at least one title. Just as a review, the text tool is this. Where'd it go? There we go. Text tool right there. And what happens is, once you're done using it, you have to go to another tool in order to get out of it. And if you want to get back into here, you double click where it says the T, and you can change it to whatever text you want, and whatever size you want, whatever color you want, but it has to be selected. And then when you're done, you go back out to another tool, and now the only thing you can do is kind of change the size of it, or not even the size, just like the location of it. All right. Now the bare minimum, like I said, just like this cowboy collage you saw, is 4 photographic images and some text. You can add more if you like. You can add them complicated ways if you like, and that's how you get a better grade. But this one, unlike the other 2, and unlike everything you've ever submitted, you're going to submit it to me as a JPEG. All right, so when you're done with it, you're going to go File, Save As, and you're going to select a JPEG, which will flatten it. You're also going to put your name on it. And I'm going to hit save. And it'll save a JPEG copy of it. And then you should also save a PSD copy for your own self. And so if I have any questions, I can look at it and see what you did. So always keep a working copy of what you do, right? And like I said, you can use whatever. You can use image adjustment to make them all look like they're in a similar, tone together, so they look like they go together. The choice of the theme is yours. The choice of the look is yours. The choice of the size is yours, right? It's kind of a do whatever you would like to do. To kind of see how far you've come, see what tools are at your disposal, etc., etc. And then when you're done with everything, we go to week 6, and then it'll say week 6 submission, and I forgot to write out the rest of it, so I'll fix that now. But if you go there, you'll be able to submit all 3 files, including 1 JPEG and 2 PSDs, and then you can hit submit. All right, and if you have any questions, please email me, but please be sure to use copyright-free images. We want to do that for this entire class.